The 54-inch Baxley Point is a quick install ceiling fan with a striking matte black finish. The fan is wet rated for outdoor use and is pull chain operated. The 54-inch blade span is perfectly suited for large spaces that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that has 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy ring. Unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. Remove the hanger bracket. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Guide the motor wires through the downrod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the downrod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to secure the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the downrod. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and slide the slots over the screws. Tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the motor until the groove in the ball aligns with the tab on the hanger bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. Use wire nuts to connect the ground wires from the downrod, hanger bracket, and ceiling box together. Connect the neutral wire from the ceiling box to the white wire from the fan. Connect the hot wire from the ceiling box to the black and blue wires from the fan. If your outlet box has an extra hot wire to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire to one hot wire and the blue wire to the other hot wire. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place, then tuck into the box. Align and twist the canopy over the loose screws, then insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy ring over the screws and twist to lock into place. The fan blades can now be installed. The fan motor assembly is shipped with packing mounts to prevent movement during transportation. Use a screwdriver to remove all packing mounts. Bring a blade arm up to the motor. Align the holes, then tighten both screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining arms. Bring a fan blade up to an arm. Pick a side of the reversible blade to face downward, then align the keyholes on the blade with the blade arm posts. Press and pull until the spring locking mechanism clicks and locks the blade in place. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. The light kit can now be installed. On the motor's mounting ring, remove one of the screws and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the switch housing up to the fan. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Connect the 9-pin wire connectors. Remove one of the screws from the switch housing and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Bring the plastic shade up to the fan and align it with the holes on the switch housing. Insert and tighten all 4 hex screws using the included wrench. Clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The light pull chain toggles the light on or off. With the fan turned off, you can use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.